Today is the last Friday in March, and we're gonna see how much money we can make today delivering some food around town. Fridays tend to be the busiest days of the week. Here we go. I think we got something. $14 for 10 miles. Okay, that's better than $10 for 10 miles. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start driving that direction. Looks like we got the order. Lots of times when you click on it, you are not first, and you're like, damn. But no worries, it's early 5:30, and we're gonna have a lot to do today. It looks like it's hot outside. It's not. It's actually not hot at all. It's 55 degrees. It's a little chilly. You can see I'm wearing a sweatshirt today. All right, pulling up to our first stop here. Hello, I got an order for, got the food, headed to the car. Took about 10 minutes. All right, let's hit the road. Let's make this first delivery. We just got on the freeway now, and we got about 8 miles to go, about 12 minutes to make the first delivery. Should be in a wealthy area with pretty nice houses around there. All right, well, we just made our first drop off. We ended up making right about $17, so that's not bad for a first start. Looks like this app is asking me to take a photo. So every once in a while, these apps ask you to take a picture of yourself just to make sure who's making the delivery. Oh yeah, looks like a nice day to ride a bike. Oh yeah. Pretty area that we're in here. Now we're getting back on the highway here. Ooh, there must have been an accident. As far as Fridays go, today has not been very busy at all so far. One order. Usually by now I would have done 2, maybe 3 orders. I mean, it looks like it's just maybe a slow week. Not much I can do about that, but we'll just see what is offered to us, and we'll just take it from there. That order took us about an hour from start to finish because of the long drive back. It's about $17 for an hour. It's not great. We're really gonna need some good luck to help us out here. All right, it looks like we got our next order. It's about $14, 11 miles. So we'll just go and get it. Wow, that sun peeking over the clouds there is beautiful. Hi. Yeah, for... Okay. driving on these roads, what would you like to see? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know. We just finished our second delivery for about $14 there. What is that, about 31 for the day? Hopefully we get another order out here. We're kind of far out in the middle of nowhere. It's gonna take us about 18 minutes to get back where we came from. Hopefully we can get something out here, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll just head back towards the main road here and maybe something will pop up. You know what? Let's go on Instacart and see if there's anything on there we can do. Check out the sun over here. Could be some rain clouds up there. I'm not sure what's going on, but we're not having a very good day so far. Both orders we've gotten, it's been like a bit of a long drive, and yeah, it was a long drive, but there's usually some places around there where you get an order. Especially it being Friday, this is very unusual. I think I should do an upcoming episode here where we just take whatever garbage it throws at you and just see what really happens when you take a bunch of garbage. Oh hey, looks like we just got another order. It's gonna be 2 orders for $27, but 23 miles. Right now it's 7:14, and if we can get back before 9, that'd be a win. Not really. Hello. Got an order for... Oh. Yeah, thank you. All right, cool, we're back. I just picked up the first order here. And the next one's gonna be a pizza order. So we'll head over there and we'll go get that. And hopefully we get some momentum going. Heck yeah! Side dog, okay, that's not so exciting. Yeah, for it.
All right, with Uber Eats.
Cool. Thank you. Got it? Yeah. All right, so I just picked up that pizza order, and now we can continue on our way. We've got about 9 miles. It's gonna be about 16 minutes or so. Let's get rolling. we just dropped off the first part of that order, and now we've got another 14 miles to go. But it is starting to get a little dark out, so I think it would be a good idea to stop right here and switch over to super night mode and change out the battery in the camera, because we're down to about 8% right now. So I'll be right back. And we're back. I just changed the battery in the camera, and now we've switched over to super night mode. It is starting to rain a bit here, so you know, it might be a little hard to see out the window. Looks like that semi's having some tire problems here. Definitely did just rain here. 7:14 is when that started. How many minutes is that? 52 minutes? So we're looking at about an hour and 20 minutes spent on one order, which you never want to do that. I think we're up to about $60 on the day right now. Weird, I thought we outraced the storm. Maybe it caught up to us. Yeah, we're in the rain now. On the way to get something. Don't give a shit. Don't give a damn picking up food. That's the sound of going to the wrong restaurant. Oh, I thought we were going to Dave's Hot Chicken. We're going to Famous Dave's Barbecue. Get out of here, Dave. There's too many Daves. Damn Daves. Should be, one of them should be David's something. Yeah, it's just too confusing. Should be like David's Hot Chicken or Famous David's. You know, like, there's lots of famous Davids, you know? Just think about King David. You know what I mean? It'd be Famous King David. Or Famous Goliath, I don't know. It's too many Daves. It's too many Daves. Get out of here, Dave. This one goes out to all the Davids. Alright, let's not F it up this time. Hello. Got an order for... What are you looking at? Thank you. Yeah, you too. Alright, we've just picked up order number 5 on the day, so let's get it. Nope, yeah, this is it. Okay, stupid GPS. This is what I was looking at. Wait, am I going north or south? Pulling up to drop off the food here. Alright, we just finished another delivery here. We got a double order, 2 orders for $33, and we're just pulling up to the place right now, the restaurant right now. Hi. I got an order for... Cool. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Yeah, you too. We just got the order, headed back to the car. This next part of the pickup shouldn't be too far. Alright. Now that we've picked it up, we can go to the next place. Eyes on the road. Or I could drive all over the place. Eyes not on the road. Let's not do that. Anyway, we got 2 orders for about $33 should get us up close to 100 on the day. It's gonna probably take the rest of the night to do these. Probably get home after 10. About to pick up the second part of that order, 9:05. Still another hour to go. Hello, picking up for okay. Cool. Gracias. It's a little bit of a bigger order. Maybe there's a good tip on it. You never know. Hopefully. Gotta put this one in the back. All right, let's get moving here. We got a 13-mile drive. We're pulling up to the first drop here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, it's our last order of the night. Let's just get this thing dropped off and move on home and kind of see what we're at for the night. That'll be nice. Can't wait to see what we're at for the night. I bet you can't wait too. I bet you're excited to see how much I made. Or you don't care. Either way. Alright, I'm back. I get almost to the door and then I get a phone call. It's the customer. I'm like, huh, wonder why the customer's calling. He was like, where you at? And I'm like, at your door. And he was like, oh, damn. Okay, I went to the main apartment door. He was like, oh, just leave it there. I'll come up and get it. And so on the way back to the elevator, I saw him in the hall and we had a pretty nice interaction there, actually. The guy was pretty cool. Now we're headed home. Be back at 10:04-ish, unless we get something else on the way, which I doubt. Anytime I go to a big apartment building, I think I should just take the camera in with me, you know? Because then you would get to see what the inside of some of these nice places look like, and that could be fun. Especially if I go to a hotel, you gotta bring it in. Hey, we want to see inside these places. All right, yeah, I'm listening. I'll do that. Well, we've come to the end of another day in the life video. If you've liked what you've been watching and you want to be notified for future upcoming videos as they're released, hit that bell. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.